Hello, guys, and welcome back to Online Hustlers Academy. My name is Richmond, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online. So, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like the video as well. Don't forget to smash on the like button. And last but not the least, comment down below all your questions. I'll be there to answer you. So, today, I'm going to do the part 2 of this video, the CPA marketing tutorial on impact radius. And most people were saying that the actions were not converting well on their platform impact radius dashboard, and I'm here to show you the reason why your efforts were not converting. So I decided to contact impact, and this is what they gave me as their feedback. So I will log into my impact radius account and show you proof of everything step by step. So as you can see over here, on the 13th of November 2023, as being indicated as the date, I contacted them this morning that my offers are not converting well on my impact radius account, and this is what they gave me. They said our actions were being carried straight to the brand owners. Yes, it's being carried to the owners of those people who are promoting their brands on impact. So it's been taken straight to the brand owners, and the brand owners will therefore transfer the data to impact, and they will record it as clicks and actions. So any actions that's being occurred on the platform is between the the affiliates and the brands. It's not the fault of impact. So impact doesn't know the reason why your offers are not converting. So I decided to move back to the brands and show you everything step by step, how you can perform your CPA self-clicking correctly without having any issue. So I'll go straight to this section. Right, first of all you need to do is to go right after performing your first click, self-click, right of all the new all what you need to do is to go to the section where it says settings on your browser and go to privacy and security. And what you need to do is to clear your data. So I click on this and you clear everything, and you click on that and click delete every cookies being stored. The reason why this data is being stored is that, let me go to this section. Okay, let me go to my brands. So right now I'm not going to show you my impact radius dashboard again, because people are still tracking to hack my account. So I'll not show you my impact radius dashboard. I contacted them and you told me not to show my impact radius dashboard when doing tutorials, so I'm not going to show you my dashboard. So right after doing that, you copy your link. I'm going to show you something, the reason why some of your actions are not being recorded. So I've created my link over here, so I'll copy and then go to the section where it says paste. I'll paste it and go. So right after doing that, when the link opens, what you need you will see over here is that the cookie section will come to this bottom, that save, click here to save it. So when you click on that, that means you've saved that this browser, or they should track your PC. Yes, the brands should track your PC whenever this actions tends to paid. They will track and then pay you because your actions has been converted to payment. So you can see over here that some of my actions were being recorded some time ago, and right after doing that, because of these things, I was being able to get my money into my account. So you can see over here I have that I have paid version of this over here, that the person purchased it. So the person first of all signed up as an affiliate, and later on he tried the product and he decided to know that, oh, this product is very good. So they went back and then paid and purchased everything. So you can see that the URL was from Facebook. So you can see that click with cookie. So that means they are tracking everything from this browser, the person's browser. So whenever he cancels it, that means they are going to deduct this money from my account. Right after that, that money will lost from my account. As simple as that. So you can see that my direct link was being pasted on my Facebook account. So the brands has the authority to track the browser that will click on the link. As simple as that. Whenever they save the cookies in their browser, so when you delete it, that means you can perform as much as self clicks that you need to do. So when you're using Chrome browser, you can go to this section where it says settings again, and Chrome, as for Chrome browser, is very simple. Go to privacy, and then you can see that clear data, browsing data. So you can see clear capture, so you can click on everything, select everything, and you clear everything from the computer. So that means whenever you click on it, it's going to be like it's the same as the first. Your computer haven't recorded anything on your PC, so you can set it to last hour. So, or you can click on last all time. All time means you're going to clear everything from your computer, including the cookies being saved on your PC about years ago. You're going to clear everything. So first of all, what you need to do about know about these brands is that when you come to this section where it says brands, my brand, so I have a website that I use to promote this thing. So it's not like, don't come to my comment section and ask me the reason why I got these things. It's not anything that's important. I use my website in promoting these things. Yes, so I have a personal website that I don't want to show it on my YouTube channel right now because I use it to do my personal stuff. So I use my website to do this. Yes, so don't come to the section and ask me of anything. So you can see that I have the actions being saved over here from EcoMail. Yes, so that is it. So let me go back to my brands and tell you the reason why. If you want to do it without clearing cookies, what you need to do is to come to this section where it says click on the brand that you want to promote, go to details section, and you can see that the cookie time is being indicated over here. So I'll click on more and go to manage and contract. So I'll go to the section where it says view terms and contract. So what I need to do is to go to this section where it says, so you can see that allows referral from click within 30 days. So first of all, it was, I think, so actions are logged 2 months after the end of every month they are tracked. So cookies are being stored for 30 days. So if you want to do it manually, that means if you do perform one self-click today, you need to wait for 30 days before you can perform another self-click on it again. So that's the reason why I showed you how to clear your data from your PC to do self-clicking. And you can see over here, actions are logged 2 months after the end of every month they are tracked. So it's being logged whenever you get actions, they are being logged 12 months, 2 months after doing that, and approved transactions are paid 12 days after the end of the month they are invoiced. So whenever they pay you into your account, they will 12 days. So let's take it that when they pay you today, that means 12 days after today, they're going to pay you straight into your bank account or anywhere you said they should pay you through. So that is it. That's all I want you guys to know and be aware of. And EcoMail is still paying. So if you click on the link, you need to clear your data from your PC before you can perform another self-click. So computers are very smart, and these brands on Impact are very smart. They have what they use to track computers. So what you need to do is, the condition is 1,000 actions for duration of contract. So you need to, when you get 1,000 actions, that means you've hit the target that they need from you. Yes, only 1,000 actions that they need from affiliate. So you can see the pay subscription. That's not important, and this is not what we need to know right now. We don't need pay subscription. We are here to do CPA marketing. So that's how everything works. So what you need to do is to copy your link over here. You copy it and go to your browser, like what you've seen over here. So right after performing the self click, all I need to do is to go to this section where it says settings, clear my data, privacy, and then clear data, and come back again and paste my link again. Yes, so with this, if you are going to perform a very good self click, even if I click on it without performing any action, I need to clear data because the cookies has been stored in my PC. So I need to clear it and then redo it again. So this is how everything works. And if you have any question, don't forget to comment down below and smash on the like button. Subscribe to Online Hustlers Academy. Let us reach the goal of maybe 2K before the end of this month. So we have 1.3K left with 700 people to join, and then hit the 2K. So guys, this is how everything works on this platform, and this all I believe I've answered every question that you need you want from me. So until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. And now my number is not at the about section again. You can join this Telegram channel over here, and with that, it's the new Telegram channel. I created it for the purpose of this channel, so you can join it and we continue from there. So until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now, and see my next video. Stay safe and peace out.